Today, one of the biggest drivers of trickling filter innovation centers around the need for wastewater treatment plants to comply with strict permit limits. While trickling filters perform well in warm weather, they can be susceptible to decreased performance in colder climates. But the Bethel Park Wastewater Treatment Plant in South Park, Pennsylvania, discovered a design innovation that enables efficient nitrification year-round, even during the coldest winter months.
When I operated the Bethel Park Wastewater Treatment Plant, we had a very tight NPDES permit. The ammonia nitrogen number was 1.5 in the summer, and it was 3 milligrams per liter in the winter. We had a BOD number of 10 milligrams per liter in the summer and 15 in the winter. With the SKG Containment system, we consistently seen ammonia nitrogen numbers below 1 milligram per liter, and we had BOD numbers between 6 and 8 milligrams per liter. And it didn't matter if it was 90 degrees outside or if it was 20 degrees below zero. It works in all seasons, and we actually see numbers that are equal to our summer permit all year long.
Scott Dunn has over 40 years of experience in wastewater treatment, beginning as a diesel mechanic and most recently serving as Bethel Park Superintendent before retiring in 2025.
The Bethel Park Treatment Plant has 5 primary clarifiers. Following the primary clarifiers, the flow goes to the first trickling filter, which is for BOD removal. Then it flows to the second filter, which runs in series for ammonia nitrogen. Following that, the flow in the treatment plant runs to 2 final clarifiers and is followed up by UV disinfection, and then it is discharged into the Piney Fork treatment plant. It also has a 3 million gallon EQ tank to deal with the stormwater issues that the system has in it. The treatment plant has 2 anaerobic digesters for sludge digestion. Then the sludge is dewatered and taken to a landfill. It also has a sophisticated SCADA system which operates all processes in the treatment plant, especially with the trickling filters. It runs the SK rates and the speeds of the filters, distributor arm filters, and it handles the flushing modes of the filters when the filters need to be cleaned.
Being their only biological treatment process, the trickling filters at Bethel Park achieve near complete nitrification in cold weather conditions, which far exceeds the industry's expectations for trickling filters. This treatment level is comparable to much more costly and complicated systems. So, what's their secret? The plant, built in 1957, experienced a substantial increase in flows during its first 40 years in operation, resulting in hydraulically and biologically overloaded conditions, as well as overflows.
In the early 90s, the Bethel Park Wastewater Treatment Plant had issues with stormwater overflows. So to combat that problem, the engineers designed a 3 million gallon EQ tank at the head of the treatment plant. As they finished the project and a few years went by, the issue of overflows was still there. It fixed some of the problems, but we still had to come up with a new solution.
This time, Bethel Park turned to their 2 trickling filters to provide additional wet weather storage.
During the design phase of the trickling filters, I remember about a previous problem that we had that was caused from an engineer's oversight. With taking what I learned from that problem is how the SKG Containment system was born. We found by raising the plenum, we gained an area, space where we can store 1.8 million gallons of stormwater flow and still maintain forward flow through the treatment plant at all times.
Scott's design not only improved wet weather management, but also optimizes biological treatment. The filter's structure promotes high oxygen transfer and retains heat, so effluent oxygen levels often reach or exceed saturation, while microbial heat warms incoming wastewater, together ensuring a consistently high level of nitrification even in winter.
The Bethel Park Treatment Plant always took a lot of pride, and we had really tough goals that we tried to meet. We always wanted to have the best high-quality effluent that we possibly could meet. We wanted to make sure that we did cost-effective solutions that will actually be good for the treatment plant and great for the ratepayers. By upgrading the trickling filters and adding the SKG containment system, we were able to make all this possible.
Scott recognized that this design could upgrade trickling filters for optimal performance without the need to spend millions of dollars on new systems. So he founded SKG Containment, LLC, to patent this design and introduce it to the market. Now he's joined the Brentwood team as a trickling filter specialist to continue driving innovation and improvements in trickling filter technology and operations.
Bethel Park is a great example of how an older trickling filter system can be transformed into a state-of-the-art biotower. With the right approach, trickling filters can deliver performance comparable to or even exceeding more costly and complex biological systems. Brentwood has nearly 40 years of experience in trickling filter technology. From system and process design support to manufacturing and installation guidance and training, our team helps plants all over the world operate more efficiently. We're excited to take our expertise to the next level by partnering with Scott, bringing his proven innovation and operational insights into our work to help plants achieve reliable performance, simplified operations, and reduced costs for the communities that they serve.